Microsoft collaborate to launch program to skill over 60,000 women in AI. SAP India and Microsoft on Thursday announced the launch of a joint skilling program, Tech Saksham, for empowering young women students from underdeserved communities to build careers in technology. Through the joint initiative, SAP India and Microsoft aims to skill 60,000 women students in areas like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, web design, and digital marketing. OYO to hire more than 300 techies over the next 6 months. SoftBank-backed hospitality firm OYO is planning to hire over 300 technology professionals including software developers, product managers, designers, data scientists across entry-level to senior leadership roles. India's biggest online marketplace for used automobiles, Cars24, to raise about $350 million. Cars24 Services is nearing a deal to raise around $350 million from DST Global, SoftBank Group, and other investors in a transaction that could value the company at $2 billion. Cars24 is starting conversation about an initial public offering and aims to go public in 18 to 24 months. Google India to nurture 16 startups in 5th Accelerator program. Google for Startups Accelerator has announced its 5th cohort in India. It includes 16 homegrown startups chosen out of 700 applications. Google for Startups Accelerator India is a 3-month free mentorship and support program for startups to utilize the cutting-edge technology to build for India and the world. Over the past few years, Google for Startups Accelerator India has successfully worked with over 80 startups. TCS, second Indian company after Reliance Industries to cross 13 lakh crore market cap. 17 years after it sold its stocks for the first time in a relatively late public debut, Tata Consultancy Services crossed the 13 lakh crore mark in market value Tuesday, becoming only the second in country to do so after Reliance Industries. Care Expert, a Reliance-funded startup, is aimed at digitally transforming 1 lakh hospitals by 2026. In 2018, Nidhi launched Care Expert, which is aimed at digitalizing hospitals by providing SaaS-based digital healthcare platform. The startup raised 30 crores from Reliance in 2018 to fulfill its mission of digitally transforming 1 lakh hospitals in India and across the world in the next 5 years. After 12 years at NASA, scientist returns to roots to help farmers protect their crops. After working at NASA for 12 years, Dr. Parag Narvekar returned to Nashik to launch his tech startup Sensartex. Through this, he helps farmers predict disease and rain in advance, cutting their losses. The company offers 3 models in weather stations, namely Scalar Station, Tracer Station, and Master Station. They cost between 10,000 and 60,000.